Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some of the cleaning products I buy from Dollar Tree and use it around my house. I find these things to be useful. Hope you guys find it useful. This is a pot and pan brush. I use this to scrub my pots and pans before putting into the dishwasher. If I'm lazy, I use a little bit of soap on this and scrub the cups, and I rinse it off and let it dry. And this is the squeegee by Scrub Buddies. I use this near the kitchen sink area too, to push the water down from the kitchen countertop which is splashed around while washing the dishes. So these two things, I use it every time when I do my dishes. And I also use these scrubby sponges or nail rag sponges, and I also buy this one at times. I like both of these products from the Dollar Tree, and this comes 6 in a pack and this is 3 in a pack. I change the sponges weekly once to make sure the bacteria and the germs doesn't grow, so it's always necessary to change your scrubbies weekly once. And in case if anybody is sick at home and stuff like that, keep a separate scrubby for the dishes they have, and make sure you wash your dishes in the hot water. These hot scrubbies, green hot scrubby ones, you can use it for pots and pans, but make sure you do not use for the non-stick ones. Sometimes when these sponges fail to clean properly, you can use these ones for your pots and pans. And I cannot say enough of this. If you are a person who grills outdoors, this is a must in your cleaning supply kit, because without this you will have a hard time scrubbing the baked on tough food and grease. Just with the oven or grill cleaner, spray it out, just let it sit there for 5 minutes and scrub it with this, and just rinse off, and you will be done in 15 minutes cleaning your outdoor grills. So these are usually available only during the summer months, and if you happen to see this, stock up on these for the entire summer season, and you can use it around your house throughout the year. And I use these multi-purpose cleaning cloths for cleaning the wooden surface as well as for my car interiors. My car interiors are made out of leather, so I wet it and wipe the leather seats, and then use a dry cloth to wipe it out, and it works fairly well. And I use these cleaning gloves for cleaning the dishes and as well as for cleaning the restrooms. And because this is a grilling season, you can have an extra pair or two, stock it up on these. So when you're cleaning the ovens and the grills, you will definitely need a pair of gloves. When I went back to Dollar Tree to stock up on my cleaning supplies, I found these bath mats, and these are 100% cotton. So these are 15 by 21 inch. It's a fairly small one, but I'm planning to use it around my sink area where there will be a lot of water spillage. And if you happen to see this mesh strainers, definitely pick 1 or 2 of these, because I use these larger ones in the kitchen sink, because it is easy to take it off, and all the big pieces of food will get caught in this. And these small ones, I use it in my bathroom, in the shower area. This straps, if you have long hair, you don't want your shower drainage pipes to be clogged with hair and always end up in calling a plumber, which results in huge expense. It's easy as that. I'm in my kitchen kitchen sponge is worn out. It's been like a little over a week. So I'm going to toss this off and replace it. And this is also from Dollar Tree. I've been using this for over a week. For me, it didn't work as well as I was thinking. So that's just my opinion. Since this did not work well for me in the kitchen area, probably I will fill this with a little bit of vinegar and soap and use it as a bathtub scrubby brush. So let's reuse it for a different purpose. And I always use this scrubby brush here, so I find it easy when I'm doing my dishes, and I use this one for cleaning the bottles. This squeegee became old, so I'm replacing this one. And these bottles are from Dollar Tree too. And I fill up these bottles with the cleaning solution. This is plain water I filled it up with. I use it to spray around the top on food where you don't need to spray any cleaning solution often. And in this I have a mixture of 50% of isopropyl alcohol and 50% of water. I use this to clean the granite countertops. I heard that vinegar is not that good for a granite, so this would be an alternate solution. These are from Dollar Tree. You can buy in different colors, and these are like, you know, the size of the bottles looks perfect. Using these mesh strainers in your bathtub will save you from drainage issues. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you until next time. Bye bye.